Welcome to CM2A. Today, 3,500 digits of pi are transformed into motion. Visual 1 shows digits mapped to angles on a circle. As consecutive points connect, a dense circular web emerges, revealing how evenly pi distributes itself around space. Visual 2 shows a linear scan of the digits. Time moves forward on the horizontal axis, while digit values rise and fall vertically. It looks like noise, but this restless signal is the heartbeat of the constant. Visual 3 shows a random walk. Each digit decides a direction: left, right, up, or down, creating a path that wanders endlessly, never repeating the same journey. Visual 4 shows geometry blooming into rose curves. Here, digits control frequency, causing petals to collapse, shift, and rebuild with every transition. Visual 5 shows a spiral without a fixed radius. The digits make it pulse, forming a jagged organic shell that feels alive. Visual 6 shows a spirograph driven by 3 digits at once. Mechanical curves emerge, constantly breaking and reforming their symmetry. Visual 7 shows polygons breathing through different side counts. Triangles stretch into higher-order shapes, guided entirely by the sequence. Visual 8 shows digits becoming coordinates. Lines jump across a grid, eventually filling the space with a chaotic mesh. Visual 9 shows particles drifting in circular motion, pushed by invisible numerical forces like a mathematical wind. Visual 10 shows a bouncing ball. Its motion is linear, but every bounce height is dictated by pi. Visual 11 shows an orbit that accelerates and slows unnaturally as digits take control of velocity. Visual 12 shows frequencies derived from digits and integrated into waves that compress and expand like visual sound. Visual 13 shows harmonic motion forming lysojuice knots that twist endlessly without settling. Visual 14 shows a perfect circle corrupted by digit-driven jitter, turning order into vibration. Visual 15 shows an oscillating ring, rotating at speeds locked to the sequence. Visual 16 shows binary decisions. Digits split motion left or right, cascading like logic gates. Visual 17 shows a smooth spline path, flowing continuously like liquid mathematics. Visual 18 shows the chaos game. Repeated halfway jumps towards digit-defined points slowly reveal hidden fractal attractors. From simple lines to deep fractals, pi contains infinite visual potential. Subscribe for more CM2A explorations.